Hi, I'm Carolyn, and today I'm going to show you how to make delicious home-cooked meals while at the office with the Itaki Shabuki Pot and the Itaki Pro. Now, we all know how expensive it is to spend money eating out every day when you don't have time to cook in the morning. Or, if you're anything like me, I'm going to be honest, you'd trade an empty stomach for an extra 20 minutes of sleep. Well, now you can hit the snooze button and still be able to enjoy a healthy, tasty meal on the go with the help from Itaki. And you don't even have to be a pro in the kitchen. Haha! So, we recently noticed the Shabuki Pot and the Itaki Pro had some amazing reviews all over social media, so we decided to give it a try. The fun part? I, as an amateur chef, will show you how easy it is to make these delicious meals in under 30 minutes. I know, it seems crazy. Let's see how it goes. So first, we're gonna make steamed anise chicken from the handy Itaki recipe book, which is right here. And I think this thing is pretty cool. It's like one of those Russian nesting dolls. There's all these little components. So we've got this one right here. And as I said, as you can see, the Itaki Pro is made up of compartments that hold all your ingredients and help keep them fresh. Got this one right there. It just keeps going. There's lots of cool pieces in here. Check that out. So I'm gonna use this one for our chicken. Okay, so for the chicken, we would normally need to make the marinade, which you would make with these things right here, and then coat the chicken breast and let it sit 2 or 3 hours or overnight in the refrigerator. But since I'm going to be eating this at work, I already have my chicken prepped ahead of time and ready to be cooked. It's right here. Okay, so I'm just gonna put this in here, like so. Great. Okay, so now that you have your chicken in there, all you have to do is add some water in here. Right in there. Okay. And now, all we have to do, clip this in, which I think is great, so you're not worried about spillage. All you have to do is turn it on like that and wait. So while that is cooking, I'm gonna go ahead and set a timer for 30 minutes on my phone so you can see just how great this thing is. Here we go, 30 minutes. And while we wait, we're gonna get started on making some ramen on the Shabuki Pot. So for that, we've got some packaged ramen, an egg, some ham, scallions, and some of my favorite leafy greens. It's a pretty powerful pot, so we don't want to leave anything in too long. I would say 5 minutes is probably plenty good enough. Put this in right here. The great thing about this pot is even as it's heating up, the exterior doesn't get too hot. So even though the stove inside is hot, you're not going to burn yourself, which, again, for someone like me who can be a klutz in the kitchen, is fantastic. Now, once it boils, we're going to lower the heat. And then after that, we're gonna crack the egg in, just like so. And then we're gonna throw in some ham. We'll take our leafy greens, throw those in, yum. And then finish it off with some scallions. All of this in under 30 minutes, a fully cooked meal just like that. My name is Carolyn, and that's how you can make quick and delicious home-cooked meals while at the office with the Shabuki Pot and the Itaki Pro.